Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. The Zimbabwean author and novelist Sue Nyathi is celebrating a career milestone after the screen adaptation of her acclaimed novel The Polygamist topped the Netflix charts in South Africa and trended at number 1 for several days. The success of the Netflix series has drawn praise across the continent, with the commentators hailing it as proof that talent, discipline, and perseverance can turn ambition into reality. When we were growing up, we were told your circumstances do not define your future, Zimbabwean journalist Sopochono said. Sue's work has spent days trending at number 1 because she invested in her intellectual pursuits and refused to allow obstacles to hold her back, Chinono ended. Nyathi, who is based in South Africa, has been cited as an example of an immigrant contributing significantly to her host country. Through her writing, she has created opportunities for South African creatives while inspiring aspiring writers across Africa. The achievement comes at a time when calls for Africans to support one another's success are growing louder. At a time when some people are tempted to pull others down, the achievement stands as a shining example of what is possible when dedication, excellence, and persistence flourish, Chono said. The adaptation performance on Netflix is being viewed as a win for African storytelling on global platforms. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.